Let's make some perfect almond cupcake together. Of course, so easy and delicious. In a bowl, beat butter until creamy. Add oil and cream. Add sugar and beat until the sugar dissolves and pale. Next, add 1 egg at a time and mix in between. Add vanilla essence and almond extract. Next, add self-raising flour little by little. Mix in between until well combined. Turn off the mixer and add chopped almonds in the mixture. Mix well again. Take out 1 cup of the cake batter and add green food coloring. Mix until well combined. Line the cupcake pan with cupcake sheets and add about a half tablespoon of the batter to cupcake liner. Top with 1 teaspoon of the green batter and add again 1 tablespoon of the white batter. Lightly swirl the white and green batter together. Garnish with some sliced almonds on top. Bake in preheated oven 180 for 20 minutes. Look at this yummy cupcake. It was so soft, fluffy, and delicious.